So hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my random video for today. So mag-unbox tayo ng Demon Slayer. Hello, malamang hindi ko pa nakuha si Akaza. So buksan na natin agad. But before that, habang binubuksan ko to, you can click the like button, click the subscribe button, click the notification bell, and comment down below what you think about this video. I know masyadong mabilis ako magsalita sa pagsabi ko nun. So, sorry for saying it so fast. So, yan na. Nakabukas na yung box. So, wala nang antayan. Let's get right on the videos now. Boys and girls. See. You don't need the box. Now, this is the main show. You need to be careful, guys. Para hindi masira. You don't need that. Okay. So, yun naman niya is Rengoku malamang, sword niya, and yung fire breathing niya. Or flame breathing. Tapos, kasama ata yung stand niya. Kasama ba yung stand niya or hindi? Ay, hindi. Kasama yung stand niya, which is yung stand niya is the flame breathing. So, let's get right opening this. Okay, we already have Rengoku outside. Let's review him real quick before opening the other parts. So this is Rengoku, yung action niya habang ginawak yung espada niya dito sa taas. Tapos dito yung lagay yung flame sa baba sa paa niya, which is maganda yung details actually guys. And alam mo, gulat ako yung cape niya or yung Haori niya napakatusok. Hindi ko na-expect yung Haori niya matusok-tusok. Pero actually nagulat ako, sakit nun. Pero ang ganda ng details niya guys. Sa harap, likod, ang ganda ng details niya. Walang problema sa details ni Rengoku dito actually guys. Pati din nga niya buhok, okay din eh. Yung damit niya, okay naman din. Yung details ng belt niya, yung Haori niya, yung combination ng colors. Tapos yan yung slippers niya or sandals. Tapos yan. Yan yung si mismo Rengoku. And nakikita natin yung destroyer dito. So yeah. I already want to rate this figure. But we should not do it. Because we're gonna open the other part of this video. Not video. The unboxing of his figures. So ito yung espada niya. Which is maganda yung details niya with almost detailed as Rengoku's sword. Curve naman to. Tapos tanggalin natin yung plastic. So ito na yung flame niya, no? Pakaganda talaga guys. Maganda din yan kapag binili ko din si Akaza. Pero iniisipan ko lang muna kasi gusto ko din muna mabuksan to. So let's assemble this. Mamagic na lang natin kasi para hindi kayo mag-board. 3, 2, 1, go. Yan na guys, na-assemble ko na. Madali lang siya i-assemble guys actually. So wala kang problema pa mabili na to. Tapos madali siya i-assemble. First thing first, yung nakikita ko na agad dito, napakaganda na details siya talaga guys. So sa presyo nito actually gulat ako sa mahal. Hindi naman mahal siya. Pero okay naman yung presyo niya. Not that expensive, not that cheap, but it's worth the price. Because we can see how the details from the fire it is. And the clothes of Rengoku had, and I don't know why would they make the cape so thick or big than thin or normal layer, but they made big. So at first talaga maganda talaga yung details talaga ni Rengoku, not gonna lie. Even though I'm big fan of Rengoku, I really love this figure. Sorry for the design actually, wala akong masasabi dito. The details actually is pretty amazing. I'm not lying. I would rate this detail about 10 out of 10. Maganda talaga siya sa mata ko. Kung may hindi ka talaga mag-collect ng Demon Slayer figures or mga figurines, pwede din to sa inyo guys. Kung wala kayong mga magandang figurines like mga ganito, mga ganyan, mga lahat ng maganda niyan, pwede din to sa inyo guys. Kasi sa akin, 10 out of 10, worth na siya sa akin. Agad yung details. Color niya, maganda na din. Dahil yung buhok niya, saktong the same color. Yung flame niya, maganda din yung color. Yung damit, the same as color din. Yung cape or yung hari niya, maganda. Yung ligid lang talaga nagtataka ako. Pero maganda din yung combination lang. Kung alam ko na yung ulit-ulikod ni Rengoku. Tapos sa sword niya, maganda din yung details tsaka yung color. So, yung color, ay wait lang. Hindi, okay lang. So, yung rate ko naman talaga din dito, yung color niya is 9.5 out of 10. Kaya 9.5 kasi una, yung cape talaga, di ko pa sure kasi kung tama kung color na yan. Tapos yung sa guard niya, di masyadong dark dun sa gitna ng details dun sa espada. But, I don't mind that. I don't mind it. If ganun talaga, mag-help, maggumawa na to. But, it's Bandai. I don't know, it's not Bandai. It's Sega. Sega really did great job doing the figures of this Rengoku. Overall rating 10 out of 10. I don't care. It's really amazing and it's pretty amazing to collect about this collection that you want. And akala mo malaki na yun sa screen ko. Pero maliit talaga siya, guys. So ganito yung katangkad niya. Ganyan katangkad lang, isang kamay ko. Ganyan siya katangkad. Tapos yung laki niya, parang isang 1/4 ng kamay ko. Sakto. Yeah, be careful from collecting this. I don't mind at all from seeing them collected. So yeah, maganda talaga siya, guys. Overall 10 out of 10 and I don't mind at all. And it's my choice, not your choice. But if you like my opinion on how I rated this, then it's worth to buy from the price of these figures. So, I don't mind at all na i-review natin kay Rengoku. Yan lang naman kasi gagawin naman natin sa today's video. First part of this video, introduction. Second part of this video, unboxing Rengoku. Third part of this video, rating of Rengoku. And fourth part of this video is the outro from doing the unboxing. We will see you from the next video on doing this part. See you guys there. Bye bye.